Hello friends, today in this video I will share a story with you. This story will give you the encouragement if you have lost the heart and you want to do nothing. This story will give you a lot of encouragement. So please watch this video till end so that you get inspiration. Actually, if you are learning English language, sometimes you see the difficulties, problems while English learnings, and you see the grammar is difficult. Sentence structures is difficult, and you try to quit. You see others speaking English language in very good way, then you think that you are not able to speak English as the others are speaking, so you try to quit. But if you listen, if you watch this story, then I think that you will get inspiration and a lot of encouragement. Actually, Robert Bruce was the king of Scotland. His country fell in the hands of Britishers. He wanted to free his country from the English. He was defeated many times in the battlefield. He ran away in the forest and hid himself in a cave. One day he was sitting in a panic mood. All of his attention was attracted by a spider who had fallen from its cobweb. He decided to see what the spider would do. He wanted to know whether the spider would continue his efforts or give it up. The spider was hanging with a thread and trying to go up. It tried several times but failed. Robert Bruce thought that the poor spider would do no more struggle. But all of his surprise, that spider did not lose the heart and made 9 attempts and succeeded at last. From this, a ray of hope shone on his face. He gathered his army once again and challenged the Britishers and fought a decisive battle and finally got the freedom for his country. From this story, you can note that failure is a stepping stone to success. So if you are learning English language, you want to be fluent in English language, you want to achieve some kind of goals after learning English language, so don't lose heart. Do your struggle as the spider was doing. Finally, you will be succeeded. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and if you are new on this channel, please subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.